Bitcoin market analysis through 5-2 signal recipe indicators. Current Bitcoin market situation shown by 5-2 signal recipe indicators. As you can see at 3 p.m. UTC on August 6, 2025, our institution buying detected signal was triggered. This indicates institutional buying pressure from Coinbase exchange. Shortly after at 10 a.m. UTC on August 7, 2025, our whale buying detected signal was activated. This represents whale buying pressure from Binance exchange. With institutional and whale buying detected consecutively, Bitcoin broke through the CME gap that was acting as resistance in one swift move. The CME gap zone currently acting as support ranges from $115,315 to $115,870. This is a critical support zone because both whale and institutional buying were detected here consecutively. If this zone fails to provide support, we should consider a short-term correction down to $114,077, which is the bottom of the previous CME gap zone. However, if this zone provides clear support, an upward move toward $121,065, the top of the upper CME gap zone, is highly possible. Apply both indicators directly to your charts. The CME Gap Detector that captures gaps in real time and plots support and resistance zones, and the Smart Money Detectors that identify whale and institutional activity. If this video and these indicators helped you, likes and follows are basic courtesy.